Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Zen device to an Xbox Series S. First, ensure your Zen has the very latest firmware installed. Connect your Zen to your computer using the included micro USB cable. Next, download and install the Zen Studio software from the official website. Finally, register your Zen device within the Zen Studio application to prepare it for use with your console. This initial setup is crucial for seamless operation and optimal performance. Once Zen Studio is open, navigate to the Device tab. Here, you will select the Xbox Series S as your primary console output. Then, load your desired game pack or script directly onto the Zen device. It is important to ensure the output protocol is correctly set to Xbox One/Series for proper communication. This configuration step customizes your Zen for your specific gaming needs and console. Now for the physical connections. Connect the Zen's micro USB port, clearly labeled consoles, to your Xbox Series S using a high-quality, data-capable USB cable. Next, connect your official Xbox Series S controller to the Zen's A1 USB port. Power on your Xbox Series S console. Finally, verify the Zen's LED display shows the correct console and that your chosen script is actively loaded, indicating a successful connection. If your controller isn't recognized, try a different USB cable for the controller, as some cables are charge-only. Ensure the Zen is powered correctly. Sometimes an auxiliary power source is needed for stability. Regularly check for firmware updates to maintain compatibility and access new features. For advanced settings or persistent issues, consult the official Zen documentation and support forums. Happy gaming!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.